Hello, friends. Welcome again to my channel for a new discovery to incredible India. Have you heard of the largest riverine island of the world being recorded in the Guinness Book of World Record? Well, it's amazing lush green, picturesque freshwater island Majuli, located right at the heart of the Assam, nestled between the mighty river Brahmaputra. Its crystal clear water and vibrant beauty attracts tourists all over the world. It is the first ever island to get the status as a district. Majuli is said to be the cultural capital of Assam and a strong contender for a place in UNESCO World Heritage Site. Research has an interesting fact to the history of its formation. Well, this island didn't exist 300 years ago. Year 1750 had a massive earthquake causing catastrophic disaster throughout the state, resulting flood which caused heavy sedimentation, thus developing the island. Are you crazy of boat trips and tours? Then I must say, Majuli is just going to be a pleasure cruise ride for you, as the ferries are the only mode of transport to reach Majuli. The locals use boats to travel and transfer goods and commodities to its nearest city, Jorat, some 20 kilometers starting from Nimati Ghat. Nature is at highest beauty in Majuli. Epic sunrise and sunset are the glorious charm to add on. The pink and the ethereal sunset will make you forget all the luxury of civilization. Winters are famous for the bird sighting activities in Majuli, as they are the home for many beautiful, rare, endangered migrating birds, as this wetland is the hotspot for flora and fauna. After an evening stay on the island, I was pleasantly surprised to get high speed internet of 4 GB in Majuli. After all, it's a relatively remote island, and this gave a jerk to begin grasping the wonders of island and its impact. Well, guys, wouldn't it be an amazing experience to know the culture and the life of this remote but advanced technology island? On Explore, I was surprised to know that this small island was home to many tribal groups residing there, with a population of about 2 lakhs, maintaining peace among themselves, belonging to different religion. Boat fishing and boat cargoes are the common sight as they serve as villages occupation. I must surely add on, though the remote island, but the Majulians are the superior and the fine craftsmen, found weaving handmade gamucha in the most traditional way by beating the bamboos. Well, my childhood studies on different types of houses came into visualize, as most of the homes in Majuli are cottage on stilts made from bamboos at a height of 2 feet from the ground. Do you know why? To prevent water from seeping into the home. Islands festival are celebrated with full of joy and vibrance, with lot of music and dance. The main festival is called the Ras Leela, celebrating the birth, life and the feats of Krishna. Though it is a miniature island, yet a big spiritual hub for about 30 satras or monasteries. Like to visual some of the famous one? Here is the Onti Satra, famous for Apsara dance by its monks, while this is the Dakhinpat Satra, famous for Ras Leela. Kamlabari Satra is known for boat making, while Gormur Satra is the home for medieval weapons. Well, friends, making masks are an important part of Majuli's heritage. From bamboo's frame, covered by cloth, clay, and cow dung. Samagudi Monastery is famous for mask making. Hemchandra Goswami has been awarded for innovative mask making with a movable section that makes as if the character is speaking in drama performed in Ras Leela Mahotsav. Well, friends, if you are at a choice of special rice-tarian, then surely don't miss the chance of rice meal, as Majuli is carpeted in verdant mat of rice fields with many tiny pots bursting, being the hub for many unique variety of rice. Well, friends, in spite of all its fascinating beauty, the island is on the rapid risk of disappearing. Isn't this shocking? Every monsoon, the roaring Brahmaputra takes great bite of the island, swallowing many homes. The island is on great threat due to the global warming and the subsequent rise of water level, which has led to intensive soil erosion. You might be surprised to know Majuli has shrunk by more than 60% from over 1000 km per square to barely left out 400 km per square. It may soon go underground completely. So, don't miss your chance to experience one of the most amazing tourist sites of the country. Else, one day in the near future, you may turn on your TV to a news report saying Majuli, the largest river island in the world, is lost forever. So, friends, just give a thought. Is there any way to help and prevent the vibrant beauty of Indian heritage? So, friends, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Indian heritage. Thank you.